Please come. Angelica, please. I beg you. Please. Please, come. Angelica, please come, please. Please. Come.
What in the name of the gods is wrong with you? Angoreka, a woman of your age should not be picky. You're not getting any younger.
Mother, I am going to get married to the man that I love. Obinna is the man that I love. And you and everyone in this kingdom knows that.
But Dozier is a good man. And you cannot compare that pauper Obinna to Dozier. What does he have?
What Obinna feels for me is pure...
What stupid love? Because I know it's what you want to say. What stupid love are you talking about? Is he ready to marry you? Obinna is just a boy.
Nne, don't bother about her.
Mother, you should listen to your suitor.
My suitor or yours?
Well, poverty is infectious and also contagious. That's exactly what Obinna has done to her.
The only thing we inherited from your father was his poverty. And now you want to end up with another poor man as a husband. Don't you pity me? You won't be able.
Mother, you should know by now that this tears thing does not work on me anymore. You should try a new strategy. It doesn't work on me.
Don't worry. She'll come out. Why are you standing like a fool? Get out and get me water to wash my hands.
Okay, my love. My love. What is it? You do not like the food?
You must be very stupid to think you can poison me. How dare you?
My love, I do not understand. You don't like the food?
Do you want to kill me?
No.
Didn't you taste this food? Why did you put so much salt? You want to kill me?
My love, I do not understand. I did my best. I put in my best. I even had to...
Did you taste this food?
Yes, I did.
And then what?
My love, forgive me. I do not understand. I did not know that the salt was a little above.
You are very foolish. Are you trying to call me a liar?
No, my love.
Are you foolish?
No,
So it's your plan to kill me?
my love.
You're trying to kill me?
My love, forgive me. Please.
How dare you?
My love.
Are you foolish? Get out! Come back here! There is nothing good about you. The only thing you know how to do is to eat and then walk around these whole places like a wizard. Get your useless stuff out of my sight and go and fetch water to have my bath.
My love, you didn't seem to take what I just told you seriously. It's not a joke. I don't know, one of these days you might just wake up to realize that another man's taking me away from you.
My love, they did not start hunting you today. And so far, none of them has succeeded. So I'm not bothered.
Really? You seem really unbothered. Do you know how many suitors are coming for my hand in marriage? And mother is really particular about Dozie.
Because he's rich?
Well, yes. She said that the only thing we inherited from my father was poverty.
Your father was a great man.
Really? If he was such a great man, so why was he poor and died poor?
Do not speak about your father in that manner. That was your father's weakness. No man is perfect.
My love, I know. But my mother, she really wants me to get married to a rich man.
Right. Look at me, my love. Take a good look at me. You are standing with one of the richest men on the surface of the earth. Why are you laughing?
I know. I know.
Just as I know that no man can snatch my love away from me.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okoye, what is it? Okoye, what is it? Why have you submitted yourself to this slavery and foolishness? Because of love. You might often end up with her. Wapuda, are you done? Are you done? Ha! Okoye, am I done how? You are my friend. I owe you the truth. What truth? What truth, my brother? See, DK, I have warned you times that number to stay away from my relationship with Ifnanya. Stay away. Wait. Are you jealous? I think you're jealous. You must be very stupid. Of what? Just of who? You said it yourself. You said it that of all men in this village, she chose me, not you. So please, leave her with me. Leave her! Yes, she chose you to kill you, to enslave you. Yes, so I love the enslaving.
What are you doing there?
You see what you got? I've got nothing. You see what you got? I've got nothing. Stop around this little girl. Okoye, open your eyes, Okoye. Open your eyes, Okoye.
Alan Palmer. What are you doing here with that man?
Hello, I'm sorry.
Okoye, stop there. Okoye! What are you doing with him?
I don't know nothing, my love.
What have I warned you?
My love. My love.
You're a very foolish man. Today can be dig and go. If you don't die today,
my love. My love you, I love you.
I want you or then one.
70 times. No, 70 times.
I told you to go and fetch me water to have my
My love is water.
But my body is eating me.
My love, I will stop.
Okay, go and fetch me water to have my bath.
My love, I will beat you.
And you stopped.
My eye. My eye.
I want you to stay away from that man. Then I want you.
That is a stupid
Are you
boy.
stupid?
I will. Yes.
Are you foolish?
Yes.
How many times did I want you to stay away from that she-goat?
Many times.
She-goat! He said she-goat!
Yes, very she.
Just imagine the kind of person your friend to.
Yes.
Coward!
He's the one being my friend. I'm not his friend. Yes. Yes.
Did I warn you or did I not warn you?
You did.
I told you to go and fetch me water.
I can fetch it.
And you want to go and knock around with the useless man.
He's a stupid.
Are you foolish?
Yes.
Are you foolish?
Yes.
No. You have to look for something like that.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Mama?
Papa?
Mama, what is the problem?
He is the problem. He is the problem!
Mama? Me?
Me!
Mama, what did I do?
Why are you snuggling and clinging on my daughter as if she is your wife? Is she your wife? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your mates are married with 2 to 3 children. In a worry.
Mother, why are you doing this?
Father.
My love, no. You shouldn't talk to Mama like that. Mama, the gods have kept Angelica and myself in love. We intend to make proper use of our cutting moment, Mama. I already had plans to come and do the needful.
Do the needful. And what is the needful? When? Are you getting any younger? And is she getting any younger? Why are you deceiving my daughter? Tell me why?
Mama, deceive? No, Mother.
You think I don't know your plans? I do. And the gods of this land will not forgive you. If you ever leave my daughter for another woman, it's say...
God forbid it. Mother, Obina can never, ever do such a thing.
Mother, I will never leave Angelica. I genuinely love her.
My love, listen. I am sorry for what my mother just said. I hope you understand.
No, my love. I am not upset. Come. Mama is right.
My mother is right.
Yes.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Wait, are you going to leave me for another woman?
May the gods forbid.
Imaburo.
May the gods strike me the very moment I have such thought, my love. I'm only saying Mama is right. We ought to have been married by now.
My love, I know. But I do not want you to feel pressured by my mother. Because no one, not even my mother, can make me settle for another man.
Thank you. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Your words give me courage.
Don't worry, you have to go now.
Let him stay! Let him not go! Come and stay! This is your house!
My love, I'm going to come see you when I'm done helping my mother. Okay?
I'll be waiting.
Yes, stay! Come and stay! Now, I'll come and do this. Get out! Get out of my house!
Mother,
I'll come and do the needful. Will you
what was the meaning of that?
The meaning of that is that I don't want you to...
Ifunanya, what do you want?
Obi.
What do you want, Ifunanya?
Relax. You make it seem like we are enemies.
And we're not friends either. I ask again. What do you want?
Obi, relax. Take it easy. You do too much.
Listen, Ifunanya. I do not have time to entertain your persistency. Okay? I am not interested in you. I'm with someone else.
Someone else that you do not have money to marry. Everyone in this village knows that you are not capable of getting a wife. Take a good look at me. From head to toe. I am the most beautiful maiden in this village. And you know it.
Mm.
Yes.
Well, good for you. Good for you. But I'm still with someone else.
Someone else. Someone else that you do not have money to marry. I mean, everyone in this village knows that you are not capable of getting a wife. I, on the other hand, you do not even need to marry me. I mean, you should be excited that the most beautiful maiden of this village wants you. And in this contest, you do not need to go through a thing like marriage rights because my both parents are late. You should be happy.
Listen, Ifunanya. You might be beautiful, but you're cheap. What an irony.
How dare you? How dare you speak to me in that manner? How dare you insult me?
No, he did not insult you. You insult yourself by throwing yourself to a man who cares less about you.
Listen to your friend. She has more sense than you.
On whose side are you?
I'm on your side, of course. You're my best friend. Everyone in this village knows that Obinna and Anreka are inseparable. Their union is believed and ordained by the gods.
Rubbish. That is absolutely nonsense. I do not care. I mean, I do not even know who orchestrated the fling they call a thing. When I'm ready, Obinna will be mine. And not even you can stop it.
Can you just listen to yourself, dear friend? How do you think it's going to be possible?
When the time comes, you will know. You will be the first to know.
Ifunanya.
How can we join you? Enjoy yourself. Kai Kwaniko. Oh, the Kwaken.
This palm wine is very fresh.
It's from Nani Agamevu. The palm wine tapa.
No wonder.
How can we join you? Enjoy yourself.
And here one is good and
It's Bonchi.
Hey. Yeah, this is very nice. Very, very nice.
Mother, what is going on?
She's so beautiful. You were right in it.
But I told you.
You did. Very, very beautiful. She's very beautiful and comely than I thought.
You can say that again. I'll go with you.
Young man, what are you doing? Sitting and drinking with my mother.
Come and join us. He is from the lineage of Igwe Obidike Njamanzeje.
Oh! Mother, I cannot remember asking you what his name is, what the lineage is from. What I asked is, what is he doing here?
My daughter, bring your voice down. You might be talking to your future husband.
Future husband?
Yes.
May the gods forbid.
They will forbid. He told me he is here to ask for your hand in marriage.
Yes. Yes.
That's why we are marrying. I'll go with you.
You're very right. You know, as a matter of fact, I will take very good care of you when I finally marry you. Take very good care of you. All you have to do is just say yes. I leave every other thing for me.
For one, okay?
See the way you are making a fool out of yourself. Acting like an idiot. Yes, you will take good care of me. Are you done taking good care of yourself? Mother, Is this the kind of small boy you want me to get married to?
Oh, I'm small boy.
It was a slip of tongue. Forgive her. My daughter, why are you calling him a small boy? He's a full-fledged man. After all, you complained that Edozie was too old for you. Besides, I knew his parents when they were still alive.
Mother, I do not care. I will never get married to this man. No, I won't.
But what?
Don't say that.
Why?
Bia, small boy, when you are done with my mother, you may take your leave.
Angole.
I should be eating. Yes. Anyway, I know you will talk to her. Him and the children of these days. They will just be, when they see their husband at first, they will just be behaving like they don't like it.
Enjoy your meal
She made
while I talk to her.
Okay. Mama, talk to her.
Yes, I will. My daughter. Angolika, what happened?
Mother, I had a dream again.
Same dream you keep having every other night.
Yes, Mother. The same dream. Mother, I am so scared.
Do not be scared. The eyes of the gods are upon you. They will not allow any evil to befall you.
Oh, Mother. Mother, I fear I might die. Mother, I feel like something bad is about to happen to me.
I forbid you to say that, child. Don't say that.
But why do I keep having the same dream?
Oh, tell me about it. Asamoah. Omomasa. The most beautiful maiden of Umuako. No one comes close. Achalu gonjo mwako. Negori mwa. Imaka. Hi. Mwa lechaba. Hey. Ifunani Imaka. Imaka takwa mma. Mma gi na-epezi akwa. Hey.
Beyond the beauty of the rising sun, the horizon, the colors, the emberish, shining with seamless into the abode of the mortals, lights like morning. Ifunanya, you are the love that emulates strength of the goddess of beauty and light, perfectly, carefully sculpted.
How dare you! How dare you! How dare you come to my hut? You just went inside and touched me. Why would you do that?
Why are you doing this to me? I can't live or breathe without you. Please, accept my humble request. Iko.
How dare you come into my hut to desecrate the sanctity of my beautiful body? Are you foolish?
I am not.
Are you crazy?
I am not.
Get out of my hut.
Listen.
Get out!
Listen, I am rich. I have everything. I can take care of you.
I said you should get out!
Ifulanya, I'm rich. I have enough to take care of you.
Leave my hut this minute. Get out! I said you should go! Go! What is it?
My love, nothing. Nothing, no, my love.
Okoye,
My love.
if I find out that someone is waiting for you behind my hut, you will be in a hot soup.
My love, I better go and check. I don't want your problem. Ew!
If you move an inch, what I will do to you, you will regret meeting me in your life. Come and sit back there.
My love,
Come and sit back there. Anumpama. If this food spills, if it spills, sorry, what I will do to you?
I'm sorry, my love.
Useless man. You cannot do one thing straight. When Maggie, are you foolish?
No.
Are you stupid?
Yes, Mama.
If this food spills, I will show you that I can be this beautiful. At the same time, I can also be a beast. You want to go? Try me.
Forgive me, my love.
You're a very useless person. You're a useless man.
Yes.
How dare you?
Sorry, my love.
How dare you try to sneak out on me? How dare you?
I love you, my love.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes, I love you.
You're a very foolish person.
Yes, I know.
Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means to be with the most beautiful maiden of this kingdom?
My love!
If this is your breath, you will be a dead man. You said you love me. Loving me comes with a lot of punishment. So take it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, love. Hold on, Saga for.
I know that. I love you.
Useless man. Come on, go and give me water to wash my hands. Idiot. Lover but waganya.
If I found too much.
What? Take it and go. And if you spill this food, if you spill this food, you are dead. You are gone.
I love you.
Go and get it. Love will bukwegi there. Love will kill you. Go and get it. Idiot. You love me. If don't play with me. Don't try me. Spill that food. Spill that food and you are dead. Spill it. Idiot. I'm watching you spill the food and you are gone. It's as easy as that. Spill the food in war. What are you doing?
The peasants scorn the rich and make preferences with the stilts and peasants like them.
Doze, if this is about me, forget it, because it will never ever happen.
I'm awestruck at the decision you've chosen to be with a filthy, that whole scum of earth like you.
No.
Doze, what is wrong with you? I will not stand here and watch you speak to the man that I love.
What will happen? Do you think it's man enough?
Listen, I do not know who you are, but I want you to leave here this minute.
What will happen if I don't live here? What will happen?
want to know what I will do?
What's up now?
You are lucky. Now get your peasant. Can you smoke right now?
My love, it's okay. It's
Don't
okay.
worry.
Calm down. It's okay. Calm down.
My love, I'm sorry. Sorry for getting this girl. Very sorry. On peasants.
I used to fight in the house for me.
I'll see you again. We'll speak today.
My love, let me
tomorrow.
come.
Alright. Are you sure you can carry?
Yes, I can carry. Don't worry.
Can I carry?
No, it's fine. It's
Are you
fine.
sure?
Yes, go, my love.
Idiot. On peasant. I would have shown you what peasant does to the face, idiot. I wanted to get inside. So why I know this. I'll see you again.
Thank you for helping me. So are you going to go back to your hunting now?
No.
I guess I stole your day. Forgive me.
Come on, my love, don't say that. You can steal in fact, you can steal my days. You're my priority. Okay? Besides, I was returning from hunting when I met you.
Oh, really? It seems like you caught nothing today.
Well, not like
Bello, really?
Yes.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
This
Something
is so big.
special for you. For the woman that makes my heart skip.
My love, but you caught nothing. What are you going to do now?
My love, please. Okay,
What is going on here?
Mama, look. Obina caught this woman. Yes.
Real men get married to the women they love. I'm not gifting them with rabbits, lizard, and wall gecko. Hey, come back! Don't see her! Come and stay with me! Bring more rabbits! In fact, bring lizards! Father,
Why are you doing this? Are you never going to be happy?
happy that my only child is drowning with a stupid man in an ocean of utter despondency. Carrying rabbits like you're carrying your child. Up here?
What you're doing is not fair.
No, if it's not fair, it's dark. Go cook your rabbit and eat. My hand is not there. Onyegi rabbit. He will bring the lizard and give you. Nonsense.
It's my rare present.
Rare. You go everywhere sniffing and snitching. You know, one silly thing about you is that you're significantly nosy.
Is that an insult?
Figure it out yourself.
You know, when my father passed, everything that he owned became mine. He was the wealthiest man in this village and beyond.
I do not care. I do not crave for your wealth. My father was a poor man when he died. And I've come to accept my fate that not everyone is meant to be wealthy and rich after all.
But I guess everyone deserves to be with a beautiful maiden like me.
Everyone. Certainly not me, Obina.
What is your problem? Must you always rub my nose in the mud? Must you?
Listen, Ifunanya. If you give her the same energy that Okoye exerts on you, you will sure be the happiest and luckiest woman on earth.
Why are you like this? I am nice to you. Isn't it obvious that I am nice to you? Why do you always want to hurt me? Why did you mention his name? Why?
Okoye loves you. Okoye loves you very much. In fact, he loves you unashamedly. He idolizes you. He worships the ground in which you tread upon. What else must he do?
Keep your counsel to yourself. Listen, let me tell you. When I'm ready for you, you going to become mine. No one, not even Angorika, can change that. Do you understand?
I guess you have to wake up from your dreams then.
Okay. Let's watch and see. You will be mine and nothing can stop that.
What has she come here to do?
Ifunanya is desperate. Her desperation is out of this world.
She's so arrogant, all cocky and so proud of herself.
Please get me water to drink.
Okay.
I think Okoye adores you. He is as loyal like a dog with 3 legs.
That is exactly what I do not want. I do not want such a man. I mean, I cannot even imagine myself being with Okoye. He is as soft as a boiled yam.
Because he is soft, that doesn't make him a soft man. Yes. Okoye loves you unconditionally. And somebody like him is hard to find. And a woman like you, they are hard to please by men like him.
I see you want to insult me. Get out of my compound.
You cannot just throw me out of your compound just like that.
So I should let you insult me? Is that what you're saying?
I didn't say so. And I don't want to insult you either.
So what exactly are you doing right now?
I owe you the truth as a friend. And what best friends should do, that is what I'm doing now.
Well, whatever you want to say, it's your business. I mean, I do not care. I know exactly what to do. And as for Obinna, he will never, ever set his eyes on that moron ever again.
What are you planning to do?
When the time comes, you will know.
Let me advise you as a friend. Whatever thing you are thinking in there, always remember this. You can never separate the both of them.
Ifunanya! 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 Ifunanya!
Why are you seeming like half-boiled water in my father's compound?
I am
am your father's older brother. You should respect me.
Is that why you should rant and whine into my father's compound like a rattlesnake? What do you want?
You should be ashamed of yourself. In fact, my brother, in his grave, will be disappointed at you by now.
Why are you making so much noise without making sense? If you don't have anything to say, just get out. Leave my compound.
Ifunanya.
Get out.
Ifunanya, you should be ashamed of yourself. So you sold that piece of land to Amadi in exchange of common cowardice. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
And how is that your concern? For as long as I know, I am my father's only child. And I have every right to inherit everything that he left.
You lie. Yes, you lie. You have no right to sell anything that belongs to my brother without my consent.
Well, I have sold the land. And I will sell more. So you should go and die.
If you ever go close to any piece of land belonging to my brother, I will not only deal with you. I will tell you why they call me Kenga.
Do your
Give
worst. Are you foolish? Are you stupid? Listen, I know your type, evil man. All you do is to go around this village, raping innocent children of your father's plot of land. Listen, let me warn you. If I go to sleep and wake up with a little slight of headache, I will kill you myself. Do you understand? Now get out of my father's compound. Get out! Are you still there? Are you still there? Just listen. Let me see you come to my father's compound against the land.
Bet that can challenge it goes to a fight. Ifunanya, how dare you fight your father's brother? Not only fighting him, you throw him to the ground and fill his mouth with sand.
Do you know what your problem is in this village? Your problem is that you do not know the kind of person that I am. That is your problem. Yes.
What does that mean, you little rat? How dare you point your finger at an elder?
I'm going to point it over and over again if you stand here and waste my time. And by the time I open my eyes and open, you're still here.
How am I sure that the gods has not finally made you mad?
You are the one the gods have made mad. You are the one that is mad. You came here to oppress me because you think I am a mere woman.
It's not a matter of being a woman. It's a matter of you disrespecting an elder. Stay clear from the land he has not given you permission to walk into.
I should stay away from my father's land.
Yes.
I should stay away from my father's land. Alright, I'll stay away. Are you foolish? Are you stupid? You're asking me to stay away from what land?
You little rat. If you escape my torture today, I will get you next time.
You
Remember?
will not do anything. Get out of my
I
house.
am the blood of fire. Don't
Get
worry.
out. Don't waste my time.
I will come again. I will come again.
You're still here. Okay, wait for me. Wait! Are you running? Now what's up? You left man. Come back and talk about life.
I will deal with you.
You will deal with your generation. Idiots. Evildoers. Useless man.
You are making a mistake.
Whatever it is I have decided to do, it's on me to know if I'm making a mistake or not. You don't have right to tell me what to do.
Have you thought about the magnitude of what you just did?
I've thought about it countless times, and I am not going back.
Ifunanya.
Enough. Enough, Binyelo. You are my best friend, and I appreciate the fact that you are part of my life. But I am not going to let you tell me how to run my life. Do you understand?
I hope you'll be very proud of yourself when this gets out.
Do not mention this to anyone. What am I even saying? You can go ahead and mention it to anyone if you want to. I do not care. I'm sure you know everything that I cannot do. And I am also sure that you do not know everything that I can do.
And what was that supposed to mean, dear friend?
If I were you, I will figure it out as soon as possible.
Ejiofor, I thank the girls you're here.
Okay.
I want to ask you one question. Are you doing this because of the fact that she refused to marry you some time ago, or because of the plenty calories she's promising to give to us?
So, I knew someday like this where I'll make my own pound of flesh. And you know what? I am also making it with a game. Making some money out of the revenge I want to take. Yes!
Then I still do not think I want to be part of this. Amonika has done no bad to me. She has done no wrong to me.
No, so why are you being unreasonable? Huh? Listen, the both of us are going to make money from the same thing, okay? We're going to make money from it.
I don't want to be rich. If that's the only way to be rich, I don't want to be rich. Allow me, please.
You know what? There is little or nothing you can do about this. So are you in? I don't even need to ask if you're in. You're already in.
But I do not want to do this. You roped me into this. I told you the first time you came to the house to tell me about this. I said I don't want to do it. I don't want.
Don't be a chicken, my friend. Stop this. Listen, there is nothing you or anyone can do about this. You're already in it. Besides, I know what is best for us. Alright? I mean, you and I are similar, so...
Listen, Ejiofor. I am nothing like you. I am nothing like you, Ejiofor. I am not someone like you who is easily swayed because of a piece of calories.
Nonso, you're in and there is nothing you or anybody can do about it. Unless you want. I will tell you and the other boys when we need to strike. Be a man, my friend.
Obina, please. I want to speak with you right now.
What is it?
Please grant me your audience in private.
Can't you see my sister and I are busy?
Obina, it's very important and urgent. Please.
I know what you're up to. You and your desperate friend are up to another antic. Will you shut up? Tell us you failed already.
You know what? I believe you will regret this.
Tell her I will not regret nothing. Fool.
Brother, what if why she came has nothing to do with what you're thinking?
Don't let me slap you. Don't let me slap you.
Sorry.
I have good news.
I found the buyer for a piece of land.
Piece of land?
Yes.
You are selling the land?
Yes, my love, I'm selling it because of you.
Obviously, I don't understand.
It is not a piece of land that the boundary between our three and okay. By the time I succeed in selling it, I have saved enough money for your marriage rights.
That's the only piece of the entrance you're protecting. Why would you want to sell it?
My love, you're worth more than 1,000 plots of land. Marrying is more important to you. That's not.
What do people say? That you're selling the only piece of the entrance your father left you here just to marry me?
People will always talk. People will always talk. No matter what you do, they talk. I'm doing this for you.
I never know what to do. Yes. I don't want it. Don't.
Listen. The real man will go to anyone. Yes. I'm doing this for us. Oh.
No. You're doing this because of my mother.
No! No, not because of your mother.
You mean she gave us money? As a matter of fact, she's very rich. When I told you people she's rich, you thought I was making a mere noise. Take. This is money. This one is for you. Wow. Take it.
So why are you wearing a sad countenance like someone who just lost his child? Take the money now. Put a smile on your face. This is money you're talking about.
Why should I smile? Why should I smile? I never wanted to be here at first place. I don't know why I'm here.
You don't want to be here. Go now. If you don't want to be here. Eh? He's just here, opening his mouth, complaining anyhow. Take your own money.
See, my brother, it's like you and poverty have something in common. You are sharing money and you want to go. Honor?
Take your own money now.
You're just blabbing like it's from a mind that I should leave. You're just blabbing like you want me to live for real. See, I don't want to die. I'm scared. I don't want to do this.
You don't want to do this. Take your own money.
Why is this boy so chicken-hearted?
Take your own money now. Just
give me anyhow. You don't need it.
Exactly. Why doing something you are not in tune with?
You still don't want to take the money. You can keep it and go.
Take. Share it among them. I don't need it.
If you don't want to take it, I will take the money. I will take it. Why are you so chicken-hearted? What is wrong with you? You're seeing money and you're denying it. Hey. Let me keep the money now.
Poverty. Poverty.
He doesn't want the money. That's what he said.
Leave him. I know later he will come running to you to give him this money. I know him. He's just a hungry fellow. Meanwhile, we need to make sure we execute this plan very well. Because the more we carry out this thing successfully, the more money we'll make from her.
I love the smell of money. If that plan, it has succeeded.
And it's why you quit.
Plan I said, all succeeded go already.
I'm telling you now. Please, give me his money. I know. Give me. Let's give him.
Does he really want the money?
Give him his money. Give him. Don't mind him.
You need it. Have it.
I'm doing this. It's not from my heart. I'm just taking this money.
Take the money. If you don't want it, you can give it to us.
What next? I will let you know. Whenever I get any information from her, I will pass it on.
So far as Calvis is involved, I am so involved. We need more.
We will get triple of this. All we need to is just to make sure we execute the plan.
In the end, of course, we will get more.
Hey!
Wow.
You ought to be home preparing like the other boys are doing. What are you doing here?
Yeah, yes. But I want to ask you, why are you insisting that I be part of this plan? Why?
Listen also, that's not important. What is most important is that you're a part of it.
Against my will? Against my will, HK? Against my will? You know it's not my choice.
You don't have to choose, Nonso. As a matter of fact, you know about this plan and that makes you a part of it. So, right? You just don't have to choose. Okay? As long as you know about the secret, you know our secret, that automatically makes you a part of it. You think so? Not like I think so, I know so. So I would advise you just go home. And that's it.
One HK. You can have the calories. I don't want to be part of this. And I don't care what you or anyone can do.
Not so. You're predicting your own doom. And I will help you walk into it. Rubbish.
Angry! Oh, Nne.
What is chasing you?
Nne, please, I would like to speak to Angulika. She in?
Angulika is not around. You may leave the message. When she comes, I will tell her.
No, Nne, it's confidential. I'd rather speak to Angulika myself.
Wait. What is so special that you will not tell me to tell my own daughter?
Nne, I said I would prefer to talk to her in person.
She's not around.
It's okay, Nne. I'll be back with her tonight to deliver the message to her, okay? Alright, please, tell her I'll come back tonight, okay?
But you can still tell me, oh!
No, Nne, it's okay.
I don't know, each time I see you off, my heart skips as though I am not going to see you for a very long time.
You know, sometimes I wonder why same thing always happens to us.
Well, it's because the fibers of our heart and soul are knitted together.
Oh, I have to go now. My mother must be expecting me by now.
Yes, she must be worried sick about you.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, I always wonder how my mother gets to know my whereabouts, even without me telling her.
How come?
It's something I always think about, but after a while, I just gave up. I have to go now.
All right.
Good night.
Good night, my love.
Good night, the king of my soul.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow. You were going to say that?
Yes.
Bye.
Angule! What? No, come back, don't be scared. Please.
What can I do for you?
Yes, my name is Noso. I assume Angulika will be here, so I decided to come see her with your brother.
No, Angulika is not here. They just left. My brother saw her off. You did not see them?
No, I didn't see them. Please, can you tell me the path they took?
I'm not sure, but my brother usually take Mazike's compound.
Okay. I took the path that leads to Amazing Kingdom.
Oh.
Okay, you know what? I'll be back here tonight, okay? Please help me to your brother that I want to see him. It's urgent.
Is there any message for him?
Don't worry, like I said, I'll be back here tonight, okay? Please, tell him I want to see him.
Abina!
Mama, what is it?
Abina, how can you do this to me? Tell me, what have I done wrong to you? How can you... Are you married to my daughter? Let me ask you. Are you married to Angulika? How can you keep my daughter in your hut till this time of the night? Or have you forgotten that it is forbidden for a maiden to spend the night with a man she's not married to in this community? Or do you want the gods to strike my daughter dead by sunrise? Ah!
Mama, Angulika is not here.
What do you mean Angulika is not here? What do Angulika?
Mama, Angulika is not here.
She's not here.
She's not what?
Angulika is not in my hut.
Then where is my daughter?
Mama, I'm confused. Mama, look, I personally saw Angulika off to the path that leads to your hut. I'm surprised you're asking me where is Angulika.
What nonsense are you talking about? How can you tell me my daughter is not here? Gods of ancestors! Huh? You mean Angulika is not
in your house?
Angelica is not here.
Angelica is not here, Mama.
No, I know you're joking.
Mama, Angelica is not here.
Angelica is not here. It is true. My daughter is not here. Where is my daughter? Obina, where is Angelica? Where is my daughter? Angelica!
What could she be? I don't understand. I personally walked Angelica to the park. How?
Angelica! 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 Angole, God of our land, what have I done to Obina and Angoleka? Why have they chosen to punish me like this? What have I done to them? Angole! Angoleka! Angoleka! Angole! Angoleka!
Then why are you crying?
Angole is missing.
Missing? How is that even possible? Who is the last person she was with?
It was Obina. Now my daughter is missing. I've searched everywhere in this village. I can't find.
That's not possible. So what does Obina have to say?
Obina said he saw my daughter off to the path leading to my hut before he went back. We can't find her now. We can't find her. We can't find her.
Where is she?
I don't know.
Obina is not saying the truth. I think we should take Obina to the council of elders so he could swear before Amadi or her. Ine, let's go.
Let's go now. Angelica! Angelica! Angelica!
Angolika! 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 Angolika!
I'm tired. Let's just stay here and wait for them. I'm really tired.
We will continue the search.
Obina, come. See, I'm very tired. I don't know about them, but for me, I'm very tired. We've been searching the whole bush since morning. Where else we should be?
Ejiofor, we cannot stop this search now. We cannot return to the village without Angolika. We must find her.
But it is sunset already. If Angolika was in this bush, we would have found her.
You cannot say for sure that she's not here. We will continue the search. What? Until we find her.
That sounds unnatural. How can we continue to find someone who is not here?
You cannot say for sure that she's not here.
Obina, see, we have practically searched the entire bush. It's obvious she's not here. Okay, except you have an idea where she is. Then you tell us where she is.
Exactly.
So we can go there.
Exactly. What do you mean by that?
What I'm saying is, I am tired. I am tired. I want to go.
We are tired. We are tired.
Ejiofor.
We are all tired. Besides, the Angolika we are looking for might not be anywhere around here. We are all tired. Besides, the Angolika we are looking for might not be anywhere around here. We are all at risk of losing our lives.
Exactly.
Best we go home. Who knows if she has not been devoured by a white animal?
What are you insinuating?
Honestly, at this point, I'm thinking she has been devoured by a white animal.
What do you mean by that? How dare you? How dare you?
It's okay.
How dare you?
Relax now.
How dare you?
It's okay, Obina. Why would you be fighting the same people that are trying to help you?
You are not helping me. Can you imagine? He's not helping me. You are not helping me, Ejiofor. You only carry out an order given by the Council of Elders.
Because of the mere woman. Are you married to her yet?
It's okay now.
Are you married to her yet?
It's okay now. It's okay, please. Please, we're only trying to see how we can just help and look for her. We should take it easy now.
If you know her whereabouts, tell us so we can go find her.
It's okay now.
We must continue the search. We must continue the search.
It's okay.
Because you have muscle. See. I cannot be intimidated though. I cannot be intimidated.
Okay, listen, it's okay. We need to continue this search. Let's move. Let's look for her. Please, look for her.
Angolika!
Look for her. Look for her.
Binyarum.
Excuse us. Okay, my love.
Yes. Kenny, what is it? Ifnaya, Ogini, Aranka has been missing. As I'm speaking with you now, Nonso is dead. The young men are in the forest searching for Aranka.
Well, so I heard. I heard it.
You did what? Ifunaya, are you sure your hands are not in this thing? Are you sure?
My hands?
Yes.
At least eat your food. I know you miss her. And if you have the powers, you bring her back.
I am not hungry. I am not hungry. I do not have appetite. Please take back the food inside.
Brother, we all are mourning Anwunika. And we all miss her. But at the same time, we have to be strong for each other, brother. Please.
Ruby.
Why are you here?
I'm really ahead what happened. I had to come and check up on you. I'm so sorry this had to happen. Hi. Poor Anwulika. When would all these useless wild animals stop invading our village and eating up our people? When would they stop?
You shouldn't have come.
I had to. Obi, I had to. You need all the support and consolation. I know that it must be very difficult for you and your sister this time. Not even just you and your sister, everyone in this village. Because Anwulika was loved by everyone. And it's going to be very difficult for someone to replace her.
No one is going to replace her.
I know. No one can replace her. Ruby, I brought you fruits. When I heard what happened, I didn't know what to do. But then again, I remembered that I've seen you and Anwulika having fruits in your quiet time.
Oh.
So I decided to bring you some fruits.
Oh, you think you want to recreate that moment?
It's not possible. I can never do a thing like that. I'm not trying to recreate any moment.
My brother does not need any of this. You shouldn't have bothered. And I don't think my brother needs any of this.
I'm just trying to show concern, nothing.
Save yourself with me. My sister is right. She shouldn't have brought anything for me.
Obi, listen, Obi, I came to support you. I'm sorry.
I said!
She's so shameless.
Anwulika! Anwulika!
Me, I'm very tired though. I don't know about others. But as for me, I'm very, very tired. I'm certainly not going to sleep in this forest all night.
Me too. Please, my brothers, I beg you. Please. Let us just stay here a little longer.
Let's just go now and continue tomorrow.
Me too. Please. Please, my brothers, please. Let us stay in here a little longer. You never can tell. Maybe we can just stumble on something. Please.
Stumble on something exactly like what? I wonder. We've been on the search since morning. We've searched virtually everywhere. We've combed the entire bush. And she's not in sight. See, I am tired. I need to go home and rest.
Please, my brothers, please. Please, you can't just go. Please, let us continue the search. I beg us, please. I know that we are tired. I know that we are all hungry. Please, can we just go inside? Please, I beg us, please.
Is it until the same wild animal that killed Anweka devour us?
Ejofo!
Oh!
Ejofo! You should not say that again.
This place is not safe. It's not safe.
Obina, I'm sorry. You know you're my brother. But we must tell ourselves the truth. Something bad must have happened to Anweka. You know it. Let's just go home. Maybe tomorrow we can come back and continue the search.
Besides, there are mosquitoes everywhere and some fly.
See, I know you're hot. I am too. I understand how much you love her. But we need to embrace reality.
You can go. Yeah. I will continue the search.
If I want to go, I can go.
Continue my search.
Because
Anorika!
Me, I'm going.
I'm not going.
You are going. Anorika!
The ghosts of my ancestors, where are you? I know you will not sleep and let this happen to me. I know you will not allow this to happen to my only daughter. Please, come to my rescue. Bring my daughter back. Bring Angorika back. Oh! Angorika!
This is a lot.
This is plenty money. Did you stumble on them during the endless search?
Never. See, she kept to her promise. She fulfilled her promise. I was with her before we joined the search.
When did you go to see her?
I went to see her immediately after we buried Nonso. That was where she gave me all of this.
Oh. I kept asking, where were you? But no one seems to know.
Like I said, I was with her. And she kept to her word. She kept to her word, And she gave me all this money for us. So I'm thinking, if I should keep this money, and probably we can share it tomorrow. I feel somebody might be watching somewhere.
You share it now.
Share this money.
Share the money.
Share, Biko. Oh, see, honestly, I do not care who is watching us. But you see this money, I have a big budget for it. It will make me sleep well tonight. And besides, Adako just accepted my proposal. So this money will go a long way to help me buy her the most expensive beads in this village and to make her feel happy. I do not care about you two. But you see this money, I want my share and I want it now. Go ahead and share the money, Chief.
Share this money. Listen. I was just thinking if we should keep it and share tomorrow.
Ejofo, I insist you share the money now. There's nobody watching this. They are not prying eyes anywhere.
It's okay.
Share the money. Share the money.
Please come, please. I beg you, please come. Please come. Angelica, please. I beg you. Please. Come. Angelica, please come. Please. Come. Please. Angelica!
Brother, you scared me. Are you alright?
I saw Angelica again.
Angelica? You saw Angelica where?
She was there. She was singing to me. Asking me to come. She was trying to tell me something.
Brother, Angelica is not there. That's not Angelica, brother.
I saw Angelica there.
No.
She was singing to me.
It's not Angelica, brother. It's the construct of your mind. Bringing her picture to you, just to give you comfort. It's not Angelica.
Angelica.
Brother, what is happening to you?
I just saw Angelica.
You saw Angelica?
I saw Angelica.
You saw Angelica where, brother? You told me you combed the entire forest and you couldn't find her. So where did you see her?
I saw Angelica.
Brother, what has come over you?
Angelica!
Brother!
Angelica!
Brother! What are you doing?
We have resumed search for Angelica. The search continues today.
Last you said you saw her. Was that your dream? I suspected, brother. I suspected. You really got me worried.
Do you think Angelica is dead?
I do not share such thoughts.
I do not too.
Brother, do not worry yourself. I know and I believe the gods will bring her back to you.
You see, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. What are you doing here?
I heard what happened. And I came to pay my condolences.
Condolences for what?
I heard that Angelica is dead. And
Angelica is not dead. She's missing.
My goodness, she's not dead. She's missing. What could she be? Do you know where she killed me?
Do not know. I do not know exactly. I am the youth of this community who have resumed search for her husband.
Oh, you should be young man. I would have loved to come with you.
You do not need to. Leave.
I said leave!
come to sympathize with you upon the death of Amurika. I don't really care it's not dead. So leave.
You heard her. Leave. I said leave! Get out of my house!
Why are you sitting in the place? I'll go.
Leave!
Why are you like this? Did I do anything?
You said you should go.
I'll go, but I'll come back.
It is me again, Ifoma. A woman in sorrow. A broken woman with whom nothing on this earth can mend except the voice of my only daughter, whom has been snatched away from me. The gods of my ancestors, you have never turned your back on us. Neither have you turned a blind ear to the tears of your own. It's been 7 days that my daughter disappeared without a trace. But please, the gods of my ancestors, please show me a sign. Show me a sign that my daughter is dead.
Oh, this life seems like everything is against me. Akarakamo, Akarakamo. Where did I ever
coming to check our trap. My friends and I stumbled on America's clothes. Cloths of animals on it. When we looked close, we saw the blood stains, and that's when we concluded that our wig has been devoured by one.
The guys are
I'm sorry, Mama. Monica did not deserve this death.
The gods of my ancestors! Where are you? Where are you? Let me!
No.
Let me!
Please.
Let me go!
Please. Sorry, Nne.
Ihere monye kamuga koro. Afufu wa monye kamuga koro. Alire mo monye kamuga koro.
Impossible.
Angelica is gone. She has been taken away from me.
No, this cannot be possible. How did you get this? Mother, how did you get this?
The shreds of clothes we have found where she was eating by white man. Your place was filled with blood and pieces of her clothes. Angelica is gone, though. My daughter is gone! Angelica is gone! Angelica is not dead. She's not dead. Whose cloth is this?
Mother, please.
To be so lucky.
Something in me tells me that Angelica is still alive. She's not dead. Angelica, I know you are not dead. Die. You cannot die.
Wait. Obin, is there a problem?
Angelica's mother told me that you and your friends found Angelica's clothes and the spot believed to be where she was attacked, probably where the wild animals ate her.
Yes. And that was a terrible sight to behold. We are all grieving.
Indeed. How come we never found the same spot all the time we went searching for Angelica?
That is true. That is so true. Anachelukwa, do you have anything in mind?
No. Perhaps you do.
Me? I have nothing in mind. My friends and I, we just went to check on our traps on that fateful day. And we mistakenly stumbled on the spot. That's what happened.
So, you all went to check on your traps together?
Obinna, you speak like you're the only one in this village who is not aware of the happenings in this village. A lot of terrible things are going on in the forest as we speak. It is only safe and pertinent that anyone who wishes to go into the woods go there in pairs or in their numbers. So you don't expect me to go there all by myself.
Indeed. I just want to be sure that you do not know anything about this.
Anything else like what?
I don't know. Maybe you should tell me.
Obinna, I have no idea. I have no clue about what you're talking about.
I imply nothing. I just want to be very sure that you know nothing about this.
Take my word. Read my lips. I have nothing. I have no idea at all. Absolutely nothing.
I wish I could believe you.
Really? Well, you can go ahead and believe whatever you want. I do not care. As you can see, I'm a very busy man. Excuse me.
Okoye, what do you think a full-blown man like you is doing? Enslaving yourself for a maiden who never thinks about you.
Ike, I never expected you to understand. Ike, you have never ever had the nerve to stay with a woman or to even be with a woman. So how are you supposed to know what people do for love?
Love? Okoye, if this nonsense you're doing is what people do for love, I will remain without love.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Dike? I have warned you time with that number to please stay away with anything that has to do with me and Ifunanya. Please, I beg you. Stop all this nonsense.
It is you that should stop this nonsense. Okoye, it is you that should stop this stupidity called love, Okoye. Wait.
Head what?
Ever since America died, if Onaya had been seeing Obina, cooking for him, spending time with him.
Oh God, yeah!
You think it's a joke? I've seen them with my own eyes. I've seen them. And that's why she's avoiding you all this while.
My brother, my love, if Onanya is not avoiding me. As a matter of fact, I am going to her hut now to prepare this delicious food.
Are you not stupid, Okoye? See what she has made you to become.
You?
Okoye, open your eyes and see. Be like a man.
Okay, my eyes are open and I am a man. So please stay away from anything that has to do with me and Ifunanya. Enugo.
Okoye, what has happened to you, Okoye? Who is to you?
You can stay away from Ifunanya. Ifunanya, have you been seeing Obina?
Yes?
Why?
What sort of useless question is that?
Ifunanya, do I look like a madman to you? Ifunanya, you're here maltreating me bad, while you go spending time with the one you love. If I may ask, are you enslaving me?
Wait, what has come over you?
Ifunanya, you're the one that has come over me. Ifunanya, I need the truth.
Well, as you already know, Obina is married. And Angoleka is just like a younger sister to me.
You were just trying to do what? Angoleka was never like a sister to you. We have never seen you both together except when you wanted to tell her how envious you are about her relationship with Obina. Now you come and tell me this nonsense. Ifunanya, you're just a bitter woman who derives joy in...
Ifunanya! It's very useless to think you can speak to me in that manner. Do you know who I am? I'm asking you, do you know who I am?
My leg.
If you don't know, I am the most beautiful maiden of this kingdom. Speak to me in that manner again and you will be a dead man. Useless.
Ifunanya, my leg.
You're coming to ask me nonsense questions.
I know that we must have done this to you, Okoye. You want to secure you? Okoye, see, this is the last time she will ever do this to you. Her last time. See, you will never see her again. Never.
No. She's not the one. No. She was too excited to see me and she hugged me. I fell and sprained my ankle. It's a mistake.
She hugged you.
Yes.
You are very stupid. Anyway, I know what to do.
DK.
This one has to stop.
DK, stop.
That which will be dealt with.
Yabanaya miracle.
Ifunanya. This madness must stop today. As for this, Anya, it will look at the Wawaya Anya. Ifunanya. Who is that evil medicine? Ifunanya. Come out, Ifunanya. Ifunanya. Oh, you are here. You witch. That's one. Witch. So your plan is to kill him. Okay?
Yeah. What gave you the right, the nerves to walk into my house, open your smelling mouth and speak to me in such manner? Are you stupid?
Chigono, shut up your dirty mouth and listen to me. If anything happens to Okoye, if anything happens to my friend Okoye, Korokoya, I swear by the gods, I will kill you with my bare hands.
Okay. Very nice. Interesting. I want you to kill me with your bare hands. So I'm going inside to bring something for you to use and kill me. Come here. Oh.
No, come! You are running! Did you help me from here?
Many months have passed since Angoleka was callously taken from us. We have cried and mourned her enough, and you have to. You cannot spend the rest of your life mourning a woman that you know you will never get to see again. I want you to move on with your life. You have your life to live.
Ne. Somehow, I have this feeling that Angoleka is not dead. I can sense it very strong. Somehow I feel she's alive. She's alive somewhere.
My son, I used to comfort myself with that same feelings too. But as the day goes by, I've come to realization that not accepting the truth is the highest form of lie. And if we must move on, we must accept the truth.
Mother, I know what I'm saying. Angoleka is not dead. She's still alive.
Then where is she? Where is she? Her clothes were found in the forest with blood stain and the prints of animal claws. What other sign must you see? Tell me.
I know what I'm saying. She's still alive. She's still alive.
Angoleka was my daughter, and I loved her so much. I don't think anyone who would love her the way I do. I know you loved her, and she loved you too. I've heard of how bitter, sad, and this day you've been ever since we lost her. But like I said, you have to move on with your life. You cannot continue like this. Pick up your pieces and put everything behind you.
How do I move on? How do I move on?
My love, I brought your food. This is my little way of apologizing for the misunderstanding we had the other day.
Go and get something to cover it up.
You're not eating now? Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out.
With the food?
Do you have a problem with it?
You're going to see who?
Obinna. I'm taking the food to Obinna.
My love, I have every problem with it. Why do you treat me this way, Funanya? Why do you treat me with so much disdain and bitterness?
Wakem, if you don't like it, go home. If you're uncomfortable with the way I treat you, Nada Begi, go to your hut.
Funanya, I cooked for you and you want to take it to another man?
Like I said, if you do not like it, go home. It's not that I want to get married to me. Is it not you? You want to marry me without working for it. You must be foolish.
Funanya, bitter woman, an ingrate who might not find a man that will love you the way I did.
You foolish. Something wrong with you. Are you mad? Now, I am going to make this food by myself and I'll give it to whoever that pleases me. Get out!
Funanya, I've loved you more than the way a man should love a woman. But yet you treat me with so much bitterness. Why are you wicked to me, Funanya? Funanya, I promise you I will go. I will go and never come back.
Never come back! Go and never come back! I do not want to see you in my hut again. Get out! If Naya, I'm not here.
Okay, please do not leave. Please.
Binyelum, your friend is an ungrateful woman. I will go and never come back.
Never come back! Never come back, coward! Vegetable, that's what you are! Don't come back to my hut again!
If Naya...
Idiots! Useless man.
Ask him to go.
Yes, I asked him to go.
Why will you ask him to go?
What I did to him is much more better than seeing a grown man cry like a baby. That's the kind of man you are wanting to get married to. A vegetable. That's who he is.
He is not a vegetable. He's a full-grown man. Just that he loves you. That's why you capitalize on it.
Any man that cries because of a woman is nothing but a vegetable. That person is not a man. Yes.
Sometimes we never get to appreciate what we have until we lose it.
We should not lose this one. Have him to yourself. You want to go? Go and have him.
I hope one day you will realize your action towards him.
Enough. Enough. If you're here to insult me, then get out. Leave.
I am not going anywhere. I just have to tell you.
Then be mindful of your words.
I am your friend.
I am telling you, I am warning you right now. Stop it.
Please. Okoye, I apologize for what Ifunanya has done to you.
Binyelum, you do anything and everything for love. Funanya is the woman I want to be with. That's all that matters.
But she constantly demeans you and makes you feel like you do not matter.
I love her. And that's all that matters to me. I know that she treats me bad and makes me feel less of myself. But I know deep inside her, she likes me. She likes me too, yes.
I really do not think she likes you as much as she makes you feel bad. Yes. One thing I know is that no one can make you feel bad without your permission. Okoye, you are a nice person. You deserve better. And not this way.
I love Ifunanya. That's all that matters. Ifunanya. Can't do without her.
Do you love Ifunanya? Love, love, love. It's okay. What about your brother Obinna?
He's not around.
I know I am not supposed to be here discussing this with you. But I just thought of coming to know how he's faring.
My brother has been miserable ever since Amurika died. These days what he does is he goes to sit at that spot where they usually sit with Amurika.
So, are you saying he is not at home now?
No.
Where could he be then?
I don't know.
I understand how devastated it could be. I really wish I could help.
Yelem, don't worry. My brother I know is a strong man. And very soon he will come out of this. Yeah.
I know so too. Once he gets back,
Tell him that Binielu came.
Yeah.
That is very important, we say.
I will tell him.
Alright, I have to go now.
I will.
Okay.
Mielo, were you the person that came to see Obina at the farm the other day? And you tried talking to him, but he refused to listen?
Yes, it was me.
Mielo, you look disturbed and anxious. Could there be something you want to say to me?
No, nothing.
Please, I can't interact. Please tell me.
It's too late for that.
You can still tell me.
In your best interest, I better not say anything. Yeah. Alright, see you some other time. Bye.
What do you want? Have you come here to accuse me further?
I have something to show you.
What is it?
I saw Anuli.
What? Where? I do not trust you. What are you trying to do?
No,
Where is Angolika?
Listen to me. I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing this because I once loved Anuli. But then I realized that she loves you so much, even more than life. And she also wants to spend her entire life with you and no other man. So I'm doing you this honor. Be quiet and come with me.
Come with you where? We have been working since sunrise. I am tired. Where exactly are we even going? We have passed Ameke. We have passed Umogene. We just crossed Ngene River. To say, are we even going to the end of the world? I am tired.
When we get there, you will know. So it's either you're going to come with me, or you're going to stay back empty-handed.
I'd rather come with you.
Greetings, Adigo.
Biyelom, if you're looking for Obina, I woke up this morning, I didn't see him. And his bow and arrow and his hunting gun are inside, so I don't know where he'll be.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any message for him?
Okay, where did he go to?
Like I said, I woke up to his absence, so I don't know where he'll be. Is there any message for him?
Not at all.
I know you will not even want to drop it.
I'll go and come back at sunset.
Okay.
Alright.
Right.
Greetings, lady.
Greetings, Sergeant.
You know my name?
When if I took a walk a few days ago, she pointed to you.
What did she say about me?
She said you were instrumental to her in many ways.
I want to see her. I need to speak with her.
She's not here. You look disreputable. Anything the matter?
I'll be on my way. Probably I'll come back when she's around.
Oh, no! Not so fast. You can speak to me. Maybe it's better.
Why do I have to speak with you?
Is this what you wanted to tell Funaya?
Yes.
You may speak to me. It could be better you spoke to me first.
Why do I have to speak to you first?
Because I might save you from trouble up front.
I killed Nonso.
I know. And?
You know?
Yes.
And his spirit has been haunting me. Many nights I wake up to him, watching me sleep.
I do not think his spirit is haunting you. Maybe he's your guardian angel.
Would you stop this joke?
I am not joking.
Listen, just last night it happened again. I've never had peace ever since this incident.
You don't supposed to have peace. How? You and your other friends killed your best friend. All because of what? Pieces of cowardice. If I were to be his sister, I would have buried him with cutlass.
You're supposed to help me and not make matters worse.
Why won't I make matters worse?
I'll just be on my way.
No, not so fast. You've not told me what you want me to do for you. Right, is that the thing you want to tell Funaya?
Yes, she has to know. She put me through this.
No, she did not put you through anything. You put yourself through this.
You're supposed to be helping me, Medin.
Why will I help you when you've not told me what you want me to help you?
I just explained my whole situation to you and you said I still haven't told you how to help me.
Ask. You have not asked me.
Okay, fine. Please, Medin, if you have an idea that can get me out of this, could you please tell me?
My advice to you is that you should keep this to yourself. Play the music alone. Do not let Ifunaya know about it. She will kill you.
Kill me?
Yes.
Why? I mean, she has to know. My friend's spirit has been wanting to kill me.
No. If he wanted to kill you, he would have done that long before you realize it.
Why this frustration and wickedness? Why? We've been going through villages. Going from one village through the forest into another forest.
Where exactly are we going to?
Stop being a coward, Obina. Ever since I've known you, you've been nothing more than a spineless coward. You're nothing more than a weakling.
I am not a weakling.
You are, Obina.
Dozie, I said I am not. Tell me where we're
coward,
going.
Obina. You're a coward, Obina.
Dozie, I'm not a weakling. I'm not a coward. You are a coward.
You are.
Dozie, you are a coward. You are. Dozie, you are a coward. You are a coward, Dozie.
Obina, love is sacrificial. Giving everything to that one person you love. Throwing caution to the wind for that same person. Obina, I'm a sacrifice just one more time.
Let's go.
Your life is more miserable with her. Ogene!
I love her. I love Ifunanya.
Tell me, do you think she loves you? Stop being a coward, Okoye. Listen, if you ever see Ifunanya again, then don't talk to me again. I can't be seen with a full-grown man acting like a child.
I love Ifunanya, and that's all that matters to me. I love her.
Love is a two-sided thing. If she does not appreciate and love you like you do, so I'm afraid you might be wasting your time.
Sometimes love does not just happen like that. Someone needs to make it happen by putting effort. And some days maybe the other person would see the effort and reciprocate.
I'm a chigon. Now listen, I told you I'll save my own. Just go to her and never speak to me again. After all.
This one. He will not listen to you, you're just wasting your time. Love.
Thank God.
You mean he didn't tell you where he went to?
I don't know. This life seems like everything is against me. Where did I ever go wrong? Why is my life so...
Obina!
Brother!
Where have you been? Where did you go to?
Brother, where have you been? We have been worried sick.
I need 1,500 cows.
Hello. Gods of our ancestors. 1,500 calories?
Brother, where will you see that kind of money?
Obina, what do you need such money for?
DK!
DK, take it easy. Sorry.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. After all Okuyi has done for her, she goes heartless on him.
I am surprised. If Naya don't really like you.
I've told this fool over and over again. He won't listen. Now see the pains you're passing through. And she could not do him a little courtesy by coming to see him or even coming to take care of him.
DK, you don't have to raise your voice. Do not worry. We are here to take good care of you. Okay?
Thank you so much. You're so kind.
DK, you must not let Ifunanya know that I was here. DK, do not bother yourself. I believe everything will be fine. Okay?
It's okay.
Don't worry.
It's okay.
Wait here. Let me call Commander. Please. I'm sorry. Forgive me for coming. I was not able to reach the as fast as I was supposed to. Please just take this, please. I beg you. I couldn't raise the complete one. Please. Look around. You can go check for yourself. What are you asking for? Where is she? I told you. She in the company of other slaves I had. I saw her 2 days ago. And as you know, there are not too many slaves these days. And the little I have, I do not joke with them. Please, I beg you. I'm sorry for your loss. Please. Please don't do this. I beg you, please. Please, please.
How dare you go behind me to say this thing?
No, it's not what you're thinking. It's just...
Ifunanya, what has gotten into you? What has gotten into you? You heard I was sick, you refused to come and see me. Is it now you're coming? What if I had died?
I do not care if you had died or not. I'm only here to look this traitor in the face and call her exactly what she is.
And what makes you think you could slap me just like that?
No one gets in my way without getting crushed. Be warned. Ifunanya,
I swear by the gods, I will tell the entire kingdom who you truly are, you evil girl!
I see. I see that you are tired of living. I will help you end life. I'll do that. You cannot do anything right. You despicable traitor.
Ifunanya.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare come close to me. Go ahead.
Brother. I beg you, please don't leave me, brother, please. Brother, please don't do this to me. I beg you, please, brother. Remember all that we have shared together, brother. Brother, remember you are the only hope I have, brother. Brother, remember you promised Mama when she was about leaving us what you told her. Brother, remember you said you will stick with me till the end of life, brother.
That end that I talked about.
No!
Life was taking everything away from me. Life was taking away my only source of joy. Joy. There is nothing left to live for. There's nothing. I love you, my sister. At this point, you have to live life without me.
No, brother! Then I'll have to die first! Brother! And I know Mama will be happy to receive us both in one day.
Stop! Stop!
Brother.
Please. I will not do it. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Please. I beg you, don't do it. Please.
Brother, you want to leave me?
Sorry.
Brother!
You should not have come.
I needed to speak to you.
If Naya, I am not interested in you. My heart belongs to some other person.
Obi, I am willing to keep pouring on until every drop is gone.
My heart belongs to Angelica. Even in death or in life, she is the only woman my heart shall long for.
Obi, love is not in the shadows. Even if yours for me may be. But I'm willing to wait. I am willing to wait until you're ready. Obi, for your sake, I am going to be that woman that I should be. Yes, with you, I have found love. I have found where love lies. I know that I was never fair to Okoye. But that's because I wasn't certain that love would work between him and myself. I treated him badly, yes. I wasn't fair to him, yes, but I'm sorry. I wish I could undo all the bad things that I did to him. Obi, you are the man that my heart truly beats for. I love you with everything in me. Even if you don't love me right back, I am going to stay here. I am going to be by your side. I will wait till the gods blesses us. I am going to stand by you. I am going to love you every day. Please, you need to understand how much I love you. There is no life without you, Obi. Please, I beg you. I am willing to wait for you. I'm willing to wait till you love me right back. Please.
Some group of men jumped out from the bush. They took me away. I was so scared. I tried to plead with them, but they wouldn't stop.
Angelica.
Angel, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Relax yourself. No one is going to harm you. How are you? You look so beautiful and comely. More than I thought.
Oh, Angel, please, I'm sorry.
I know you're sorry. I know.
Please,
I know. It's okay. Nothing is gonna happen. Nothing is gonna happen. It's okay. Here is what we're going to do. First, we'll take her to the slaver and we'll deliver her with the cowries. And then we'll quickly go back to the village so we can take the remaining part of our money.
Soon the whole village will start asking questions. What do we say to them?
We're not going to say anything.
Okay. What do you mean we say nothing to them? People are smart, they are suspicious, and we have to provide answers to their questions.
Listen, I know this can never be traced to us. If not for anything, because of the intrusion of wild animals into our music kingdom. Everyone will believe she's been devoured by a wild animal.
And how are we supposed to make them believe it?
How are we going to make them believe us? That's one thing we need to do. You understand? We need to make them believe she's been devoured by a wild animal. That is our duty. We need to make them believe that, right?
Okay. I think we are taking too much time already. Let's sweat into action.
Exactly. What do we do first?
Okay, come with me. Let's go. Okay.
If Naya asked me to give you this, and she instructed, I told you, to please kill her as soon as possible. Or better still, you can put her for sale. And she said, if you must sell her, it should be only to the white man. And that's why she has given you this money. So, even if you want to sell her for it, you can just use the money.
This is good business, my friend. You did it?
Yes, it is.
Send her my many thanks.
Alright, I will.
And tell her exactly.
Okay. And please, no mistakes. No mistake. And she has asked that I bring her clothes along. So I would need you to give me her clothes.
No mistakes. Count on me.
Where did I ever go? bayara, Chukwu okike bayara muo. Mejoro gi bayara gamna yo, Chukwu okike. Mejoro gi bayara, Chukwu okike bayara muo. Mejoro gi bayara gamna yo, Chukwu okike. Mejoro gi bayara, Chukwu okike bayara muo. Mejoro gi bayara gamna yo, Chukwu okike.
Shut up! Move it. Quiet! Quiet! Fast! Shut up, Mamu! Get up! Move! Quiet! Move fast! Fast! Walk fast! Move! Move fast! Stand up! Stand up! Shut up! Hey, go back. Why the movement? Get up! Get up! Get up! Please. Stand up! What?
Just lay me down.
What is it?
Please.
Where's the movement?
Just lay me down. I don't think I can go any further. Please.
So what do you want me to do?
If you could just
You know what? Let's start her separately. Then I'll move her myself.
Are you sure? Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
Keep quiet.
Now stand up. Get up.
Honestly, I have nothing to say about this. But I think Obinna should know about it.
Yes. Even Anga's mother. Ifunanya is evil.
We all must be very careful. She will definitely come for us the moment she gets a hit of it.
I know. But while we prepare to withstand her, we should also let Anga's mother and Obinna know about this.
You're right. I agreed with you. I think we all need to see Obinna. It's very important.
Only you should go. You can go alone.
What's that supposed to mean? So you don't want to go with me? Why would I go there alone? Are we not all in this? Obinna, I have something to tell you. Obinna, I have something to tell you.
You heard?
No, I did not just hear. I was there when it happened. Forgive me for keeping this to myself all this while.
I am not sure we both are talking about the same thing.
The thing is that Ifunanya killed Angonika and took her...
Angonika is alive.
Huh?
What?
Angonika is alive?
Then where could she be?
My daughter, please forgive him. It was not his fault. Mother, why are you defending him? Obinna could not even wait for me to rest peacefully in my grave before running into the arms of Ifunanya. Mother, the same woman that did everything just to make sure that I was dead. Angole, we were all taught you were divorced by a white animal. That was exactly what the youth made us to believe. Obinna lived in misery and sorrow for a very long time. He was pained and uncontrollable. I was even the one who advised him to move on with his life, that he cannot mourn you forever. Please, forgive him. Mother, I forgive Obinna, but I cannot be with him anymore. Why? There was nothing Obinna did not do to bring him back. Please forgive him. But Mother, Obinna is with someone else. My daughter, he was just trying to force himself on her, hoping that eventually he'll move on, just like I advised him to. I was the one who told him to move on. Please forgive him. Nobody knew what I had to go through in that forest. Nobody knew what I had to go through, Mother. Only for me to come back to see the love. To see the one that I love with someone else. Mother, it broke my heart so much. Mother, I'm heartbroken. I don't know what to do. Thank the gods that you're back. Please, my daughter, listen to me. Obinna is a good man. He waited. Please, he could not control himself. I even became scared that something might happen to him. I can't. Please. I can't.
is true. It is confirmed. America, she is alive.
Impossible.
Impossible! Also, I think Obinna has formed an alliance with Diki and Okoye. And if that eventually happens, it only means one thing. War.
Listen, we're not afraid of them. We're not scared to fight. But first, we need to see if that is it.
She's dead. What do we do? What do we do?
Relax. We just need to think, okay? We need to think to know what we're going to do.
They are coming!
What do we do? Let's take this way.
Okay.
Let's take this way. Let's go.